This homemade zucchini bread is the perfect blend of flavorful spices like cinnamon, fresh vegetables, which is zucchini, and the outcome is moist and very yummy zucchini bread. Grab all the ingredients listed in the description box and let's make this delicious recipe. For this easy zucchini bread recipe, you'll need 2 zucchinis, and I have mine over here which are clean. So you'll start off by sifting in your dry ingredients in a bowl. So I'll start off with my flour. Add in half a teaspoon of salt, baking powder, baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then next, I'm going to be grating my zucchini. So I'm going to keep my bowl aside, and using a box grater, you're going to grate your zucchini, and I'm going to be using the large holes to do that. As you're grating your zucchini, be very careful because you don't want to grate your fingers. Pick my next zucchini. And at this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to light a loaf pan with parchment paper and spray your tin as well. I need 2 cups of my grated zucchini. So once done, once you're done, this is how your zucchini is going to be looking like. So next, you're going to add in your wet ingredients in a small bowl. So I'm going to start off with my neutral cooking oil. Add in some vanilla essence. Crack in 3 eggs. Then using my whisk, I'm going to whisk in the wet ingredients until fully combined. Once done, you're going to be adding in your wet ingredients into the dry. So into my bowl, I'm going to add in my sugar. The recipe is very simple, as you have seen. So after adding in your sugar, you're going to whisk in the sugar together with the all-purpose flour until fully combined. And because zucchini has lots of water, don't squeeze out the water because the water is going to make your cake turn out very moist. So I'm going to add in my wet ingredients into my bowl. And for this recipe, you don't need any electric gadget. All you need is a whisk or a spatula. Super easy. Mix in the wet ingredients together with the dry. Add in my zucchini as I mix up all my ingredients together. The butter is smelling so good because we added in some vanilla essence and the cinnamon powder, which I absolutely love. It makes the bread turn out very flavorful and has a very nice aroma. Yeah. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the ingredients are fully combined, and once everything is ready, once the batter is ready, that is, you're going to transfer into your prepped up baking tin. Scrape your bowl to make sure all the butter is in the tin. Tap on your countertop for 2 times. This is to remove any excess air pockets in the batter. Then you're going to be baking your zucchini bread at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. And to check if your bread is ready, you're going to insert a skewer in the middle of the bread. Once the skewer comes out clean, your bread is ready to cook. My zucchini bread is ready and it's looking so gorgeous. It's perfectly baked because you can see the cake is released from the tin, so there's no point of checking with the skewer. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to check. No butter. I'm going to wait for 10 minutes so that my zucchini bread can cool a little bit. Invert, then I'm going to cool the bread completely. Once your zucchini bread is completely cooled, you're going to transfer to a chopping board so that you can get a slice of this delicious, very flavorful zucchini bread. So using a serrated knife, I'm going to cut into my bread. Check out how my zucchini bread is looking, and it's perfectly baked. You can spot zucchini brownish color from the cinnamon, and it's just so moist. I'm going to get another slice of my zucchini bread. The zucchini bread is fluffy, it's soft and filled with lots of vegetables, which makes this a very nice way to sneak in some zucchini into your cake, and your kids will eat without knowing that the cake has zucchini. So hope you'll be trying out this easy zucchini bread recipe and it will turn out amazing just like